overtraded. I violated all of my rules. I should have listened to my body when I woke up. I was not feeling good mentally and physically, but then I was like, I'm not gonna pass up this trading opportunity. We only get so many trading days in the year, and sure enough, I overtraded. I mean, I placed 32 trades today, 32 trades, and I'm currently in a DRI trade. So DRI, they beat their earnings, but key sales fell short, with whatever that means. So I was watching it. It was down about 3.6% in the pre-market. I use a scanner to find me stocks that are moving up or moving down from yesterday's price by about 2 to 3% at least. So DRI was a candidate. I definitely took multiple stabs at it, and they didn't pan out. The trade that I'm currently in is a VWAP reclaim trade. So it sold off, it came back above VWAP, and I went long right here. It went in my direction for 2 points, but I didn't lock in profit because I was already down from the other trades that I placed. So I was not psychologically astute, and yeah, so I didn't capture this move up. Now I'm in this trade. Hopefully it works out because it's been staying above VWAP the entire trading morning. Usually when a stock stays above VWAP, this black line right here, it means that the stock is strong, and if we're below VWAP, it means the stock is weak. VWAP is the volume weighted average price. So the first trade that I made was on ARES, which was also on my watch list. I got chopped up in the open. I placed so many trades. The last trade that worked out was the VWAP reclaim trade. So it went below VWAP, and then it came back above VWAP, and it held VWAP. So if you see this green triangle right here, this is where I went long, and it popped up, but again I didn't lock in profit because I wanted more from it. I was not okay psychologically because I took a bunch of losses in the open. I violated my rules. I'm not supposed to trade if I have 3 consecutive losses, but I was like, what the heck with it. I'm gonna continue trading and manage my risk. And now here we are at risk of being max loss for the day, and my platform possibly shutting me off, closing me out. No trading for today. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. I took a bunch of stupid trades. I took a trade on MU that I'm always watching. Told myself that I was seeing this double top, double bottom, bouncing off this 200 moving average, this line right here, previous closing price. I went long, and I wanted more from it. It got to VWAP. VWAP is magic. VWAP is magic. It got to VWAP, but I thought it would pop through VWAP, and nope, it got to VWAP, and it just came back down, and I got out for a loss. I tried once it went down and popped up, I went long again, and then once it came back down, I got out. So many trades, unnecessary trades, so many unnecessary trades. I'm keeping my eyes on DRI, and looks like I may get stopped out. Looks like I may get stopped out, and we'll see. If we get below 120, let's see, I'll put my stop at. If we get below 122, that means I'm done. That means I'm gonna reach max loss for the day. So we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm not proud with how I traded today. Traded horribly, but I want to be transparent, and I'm gonna put my good trading days and my bad trading days out there, and hopefully this will keep me accountable and honest. We're not perfect. We make psychological mistakes when trading. I'm sure this happens even to the best traders, and it is what it is. It's part of the game, and regardless of what happens tomorrow, I'm gonna clear my head, and I'll come back tomorrow strong. Have a good day. Peace.